Time for Mr. Truck, reviewing the latest innovations for your truck and trailer.
Hey everybody, it's Dan with Mr. Truck TV. Some of the new trucks out there do and don't come with a dampened tailgate. Because don't you absolutely hate it? And go ahead and you just need to, you only got your hands full and well, I'll be doggone. That's just violent. Now for as much as these new pickup trucks cost, I wouldn't mind having the option of having that tailgate come down real nice and easy, like they do on the full-size trucks.
If you have a short bed truck, you know it's not easy to hook up to a gooseneck. Pop-Up came out with these extensions from 9 inches to 16 inches to keep you from breaking out your back window when you're pulling a gooseneck trailer. And everybody uses a short bed. That's the most proper truck there is a crew cab short bed. So protect that window.
Now you can actually have it. A product made by DeeZee for the 2019 and up as of right now. So the 5th generation of Ford Ranger. They make a product that'll bolt directly onto your tailgate and it will provide a dampened motion for your tailgate so it won't come down quite so violent. We're going to go ahead and put this on and see how it works with us. When you first open up the package, everything inside is real nice, real labeled, real good, packaged up. Got your brackets in here like you ought to, and it has got by far some of the nicest, most direct and easy to understand directions I've ever seen. You get photographs that are easy to understand, easy to see exactly how to do it, and at the end, this thing's gonna come down smooth as butter. First things first, you have to have yourself a T50 Torx bit and a 6mm Allen. Now the Allen's gonna help the new bolt go in, but in order to get stuff off, you need a T50. You're gonna start over here on the side with a T50. There's 2 bolts here on the side. Now in the directions, it wants you to take this here bar and put it onto this end and get that ready to rock and roll beforehand. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get this bolt out from under down here. And the new bolt is countersunk to go inside this hole here so that it don't stick out any more than the original bolt head did. Now we're going to go ahead and take this cable off right here. Get this cable off out the way so we can install this bracket. Now that's out the way. Take our T50. We're going to undo the bolt that holds on to the cable. Now all it's got to be done, take this, put this back in here, bolt it back on, and we're going to cinch that back up. Now once you get this plate put in there, what you got to do is you pull up on the actual shock itself, the damper, and you pull up on it to get it to click into the little nub on that plate that you installed on the cable holder. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna put this cable on. That's it. That's all she wrote. This is simple as can be. Doesn't have an issue going up like normal. And now, well, hey, ain't that beautiful? Comes down real nice, you know. Cost right around a $50 bill to get this. Part is made by DeeZee and is sold through the Ford accessory website. The part number, I'm going to put it right here on the video, and it's also going to be linked in the description. The part number for this, and it actually fits a 2019 and 20 model Ford Rangers. We call that the 5th generation Ford Ranger. Doesn't matter if you got a Super Cab or you got the Super Crew. Whatever bed you got, it'll fit on there. And you do this in about 10 minutes. All you need is a ratchet, a T50, a 6mm, get everything all squared up, set up. Bam, you're all done, ready to rock and roll. Well, that's about it for me. Y'all have yourselves a great day. Be safe, and we'll catch you on the flip. Bye-bye.